We have the pleasure to showcase the portfolio of the Master of Arts in Guidance and Counseling program in relation to the performance of its graduates. The overview presentation has laid out the major accomplishments of the university, the college, and the program, being one of the CHED-identified leading universities in the Philippines and a delivering higher education institution. It was not by chance that we were able to achieve these feats. It was a product of hard work. We cultivated a fertile ground for our students, watered and nourished them to grow. So what are our foundations for quality teaching and learning? One of the manifestations that an institution promotes a culture of quality is the quality of its curriculum, faculty members, instructional delivery, and resources that result to high quality of graduates. What's our graduate profile? We are proud that 100% of our graduates have all been gainfully employed in their field of specialization. Not only are they gainfully employed, but our graduates have received promotion and climbed their way up in the organization as a result of the top-notch training and experiences received from their attendance in DIMSU graduate studies. These are not just mere assumptions. These are reflected in performance of our graduates, which is reflected on its standing on the National Licensure Examination. All of our graduates who took the licensure examination for guidance counselors passed and earned ratings higher than the national passing percentage. Here is a copy of the PRC certification on the graduate's performance in the licensure examination for guidance counselor, showing the passing percentage of the program. These sterling outcomes start with our sound curriculum. The Graduate Studies takes pride in having its curriculum formulated and continually reviewed by different stakeholders and experts. The latest revision was in 2016, complying with CMO number 53 series 2007, and now bears the mark of quality evidenced by the content notation of CHED. Likewise, the curriculum has gone through OBEdization with clear program outcomes. The Master of Arts in Guidance and Counseling curriculum was approved in 1995 through Board Resolution number 95-013-A Series 1995 with a total of 46 units, of which 9 units are electives, 15 units are major subjects, 6 units for thesis writing, and 12 units are foundation subjects, and 4 units institutional requirements. The program received its Certificate of Program Compliance on September 22, 2020, following its contents notation by CHED on March 30, 2016. What is distinct in our curriculum? We are very proud of what we consider as the signature curriculum of our programs, which includes the following features: cross-breeding and dual streaming design, early bird research program, and research colloquium. Our cross-breeding and dual streaming programs allow our graduates to either take a straight curriculum specializing in language content or to follow a cross-breed program within a dual track choosing from various allied disciplines such as special education, or to follow an educational management or development administration track depending on the career path the students choose to take. This makes our graduates subject specialists ready for K-12 and higher education, ready to lead language-based programs, and ready to assume administrative responsibilities. Likewise, research culture is vibrant in the college, having an institutional policy for all our students to undertake research every semester, which culminates in a research colloquium. In this activity, our students are exposed to the rigors of research, and our faculty tandem with them and help them prepare for paper presentations and possibly publication of their researches. Our signature curriculum with emphasis on research is one of the best features that we claim in the program and in the college. We develop our students to grow as subject matter specialists, researchers, and leaders in education. Starting off with a sound curriculum, the program strives to promote the acquisition and development of higher order competencies of its students through varied and creative pedagogy. Among our instructional delivery methodologies include in-house lectures, seminars, symposia delivered by resident faculty, student-centered collaborative learning, interactive learning, board games, and simulations. Tandem teaching, differentiated instruction, computer-assisted instruction, demonstration and micro-teaching, group discussion, brainstorming, group project, critical thinking, problem-solving, critiquing, games and group dynamics, public lecture, buzz session and informal group activities, practicum in facilitating students' learning, and a lot more methodologies and strategies. Indeed, the quality of our graduates is ensured with our strict process of admission to retention and to thesis writing and even after graduation. We start with a strict admission process with certain scholastic requirements to be met by applicants, which includes a high grade point average and interview. In the program, learning is facilitated and assessment is instructional in nature through exposure to rich and meaningful learning experiences and methodologies as has been shown in the previous slides. The MA Guidance and Counseling Program is a research-based program demanding intensive research in every term and final thesis prior to graduation. Also, our relationship with our graduates does not end after graduation. Their lifelong learning has just begun. At the heart of the successful operation of our program are the faculty whom we believe makes the difference. Hence, we invest our faculty development, ensuring that 100% of our faculty are both in permanent status and are licensed guidance counselors. Yet, despite the high educational qualification of the faculty, the college believes in continuing professional development of its human resources. In a fast-changing world where technology has high obsolescence, we continually train our faculty to keep them updated and further hone their expertise and technology skills through capability-building programs initiated as an in-house activity or sending them to scholarships, trainings, and engagements in regional, national, and international levels along instruction, research, and extension. Hence, the following efforts are nonetheless forfeited since we have the best of the best. This is to include Dr. Remedios Cinerosa, PRC National Award 2020 in the field of guidance and counseling, together with her other awards. Dr. Marcelina H. Aison, being the Campus Outstanding Faculty in 2012, together with her other awards. Dr. Zenaida Pascua, Best Thesis Advisor, and with her other awards. Chester Alan Mirza, PRC awardee, being top 8 in the licensure examination for guidance counselor. Dr. Sherlyn D. Nitura, Certificate of Appreciation, being a research presenter at Far Eastern University, Manila. And here are some of our alumni success stories.
Hello and good day everyone. I'm Chester Alan R. Mirza. I work as a college instructor at St. Louis College, La Union. I also volunteer in Field Play and Project Helix. So I'm a graduate of Master of Arts in Guidance and Counseling, batch 2018. My journey in DIMSU South La Union campus under Master of Arts in Guidance and Counseling program provided me the avenue or opportunity to first craft my own happiness scale, which is intended for Filipino adolescents, and second, my thesis, which is development and validation of happiness scale for Filipino adolescents, was actually accepted for paper presentation for the Psychological Association of the Philippines Convention 2018. 2018 was indeed a time for me to flourish and thrive after finishing my Master of Arts in Guidance and Counseling.
A graduate of Don Mariano Marcos Memorial State University from my bachelor's degree until my MA in Guidance and Counseling. And I am very lucky and fortunate as a graduate of Don Mariano Marcos Memorial State University, Southern La Union Campus, Agoa, La Union, because without my trainings and education that was given to me by the DIMSU, I will not be able to have this position at present. And with this, I learned so much with all the knowledge, tools, and skills that I learned from my beloved institution, and that is Don Mariano Marcos State University.
Hello, I am Stephanie Alisa T. Montemayor, and I am a graduate of DIMSU SLUC, Masters in Guidance and Counseling in the year 2017. I am currently the Education Program Specialist 2 of the Region 1 Department of Education. Formerly, I was employed at SLC as a guidance counselor and was the Guidance Coordinator 3 of La Union National High School. helped me to become better in the professional level. It has helped me qualify for the board exam for the guidance and counseling. And luckily I passed just right after I also passed the licensure exam for professional teachers and the psychometrician exam. So I am very thankful for DIMSU SLUC because it has helped me gain confidence, and in the professional level it has helped me attain my licenses.
These achievements could not be attained without the prestige of being with the best in the university and in their own field of study and specialization. Since then, this prestige is manifested on its products. Most of the program's graduates have already finished their doctorate degrees. Here we have Dr. Elena Milan, Dr. Imelda Coloma, Mr. Chester Alan Mirza, Miss Marie Chris Ladoy, and competent employees of different institutions like Daryl Manangquil, Hazel Lucudal, Stephanie Eliza Ting, Catherine Jennifer Flores, Rodolfo Aquino, Jonah Mondares, Zenaida Pascua, Cecilia Sanchez, Lodivina Bayani,